Here comes beryl.
Right, beryl. Come on, root
Beryl.
up all I with them.
Yeah, she take man. She take a lot.
Take a lot of man, yeah.
Thinking, is it time? Is it time?
Time for what? Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Don't know, your girl Bree and your boy
Rick,
and together we are
R&B Lovebirds. Lovebirds.
Alright. We don't say a long time, we don't hear we, we don't see we, I'm a know say.
Oh God.
We don't really want to know what happened.
Man,
It's America, we're still alive.
Right,
As
the
cartel say, cause right now a cartel around the place, so you know.
Yeah, right.
As the cartel
right.
say, is America still alive? Because y'all know when we stopped posting, we had funeral.
Yeah, my sister passed away
Yeah.
and we had funeral. Who know? Some of me suppose that them know, but we're letting you know now that my sister passed away in an accident and we had to deal with that tragedy. I know I'm still in pain. I hope you guys can pray for me. And you know, yeah. But after that now,
here comes beryl.
Right, beryl. Come on, root up all I with them.
Yeah, she take man. She take a lot.
Take a lot of man, yeah.
She root up a lot of wood
Tree
and
something there.
Post
and light post,
you know,
and
the amount
something
of
there.
light post are dropped down upon my way. And it is now what 1 month and couple days.
And I should say, but JPS man, oh God,
JPS,
man. 1 month before we get back to current JPS.
1 month and a couple days. How much days?
I mean, say, oh God, man. But guys,
as me say, it's a miracle to still be alive.
Right, and the mosquito, why mosquito?
Who would have thought?
Mosquito, the head, we almost should have make it.
Yo, me tell you.
Almost a mosquito, they hungry, almost don't make it. Hey guys, that's true. And honestly, don't be missing nobody. They miss doing content.
I know, my son has showed me out and DM me and something. I respond to everybody when I can possibly respond to, and I made an official post on my Instagram story to say that, you know, we soon come back and we soon post, and so here we are.
And I hope you guys still continue to support us, and you don't know, so we're back stronger. And I hope Beryl's sister not decide to come here.
Yeah, come here and say Debbie.
Yeah, Debbie
Debbie's trying to come, and we see she matched up our friend and they said the blood of Jesus.
Amen.
Let us bind it up and send it back to the sender. Yes. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Of course. Sometimes in life you have to bind up certain things and send it back where they come from. You understand? And let God take care of it.
And if you're in Jamaica and stuff like that, I hope everything is okay with you and your house that not gone and not beer and good health, and them something there.
I'll lose roof and lose things.
I hope everybody's in good health.
I hope,
everybody is
with all that lost and everything, alright, and we know we can see another day after the hurricane passed.
Oh God, man.
So
we miss this.
I miss the
and
guys.
I miss you. Oh my God, man, the comments, them in the comment section. I don't know.
Literally,
right,
don't know how
them.
we make with there when we see on the comment, we just laugh. We make there when on the comments. So keep liking the videos that we post from now on. Keep spamming the comment section. Make already. Like how we have a food in there, we crack them.
Wait, what for your one line? What for your one line?
What line?
Watch the ads.
Don't let me have to remind it, Watch the ads.
But guys, all fun and joke aside, though, we are happy to be back.
Happy to be back.
Yes, and
very grateful.
Look out for some more content from us.
Content, okay? Right, say Bree. I come back strong.
How finish strong? I mean, last week.
I don't know my business, but just no one saying that, guys.
Yeah, man in team Bree team off of my head.
Let's say I've been keeping up with some of my Team Bree squad. Big up on yourself on Instagram. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Socials will be in the description and on screen. So I was on Instagram with some of my Team Bree fans, and you know what? Them I cook up a bag of stamp. You understand? So shout out to y'all. So guys, remember to follow me, and you know, yeah. And we are comping head. Comping head. And the same from the last program, how if
you know, you know, great grandmother and grandfather in the house tell us say, what would pick and know, they knock it on a tree. That's all.
First might hear that.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, first might hear that. Yeah, you always have something.
Alright, you're done there. Yeah. But anyways, guys, yeah, we're back and we have current. As you can see, we have light. Like it just literally come back.
Guys, you see when current come back, yo, I the most peaceful sleep I ever get.
Man.
Yeah, I sleep so sound for that night. Although they said do that call it the light giving me, but we didn't have to, you know, sing praise.
Everybody celebrate, come with their home.
Yeah.
One mega celebration come like a
So I've heard.
It come like a sitting there. Andrew will see again. Man.
Because Mr. JPS really tell me like that.
Man, oh God, JPS. We kind of disappointed though, man. God no.
No, sir.
But anyways, guys, they said back a current so we can't kill them, too.
Exactly.
Right, so guys, over the little light and out and dimming and
over the little break.
We get to think and relax little bit and we need a little break because I'm a sister and if I God give me a little break there, it does fresh little bit and
when God at work, I don't question it.
Right.
I just feel like say everything happened for a reason, and whatever happen, and get a little break and get to chill and calm our minds. Although we can't take our mind off of what happened, but
yes,
a little break. The break was good, I've been thinking, is it time? Is it time?
Time for what?
Comment in the comment section and stick. Time for comment in this comment section and type if you know what I talk about. Is it time? I'm gonna do a second.
Time for what? Time for what? You serious?
Who knows?
You're serious?
Who knows?
You're serious? I'm asking you if you're serious. Is a yes or no, Miss No, but I'm making excited with no reason.
I'm still thinking about it.
Really?
Yeah.
Think about it fast and quick.
No, yeah. Good things take time.
We want people to see.
Good.
We want something.
Oh, sure.
5-course meal tomorrow. Or something else. We want KFC. We want beach. We want your foot then get rubbed, scrub, massage.
Okay, enough.
We want to
enough.
Just so we can relax and boost,
But who knows? You might anything can happen, right, guys? Who knows?
Well.
We'll see.
Well. Like what you mentioned, guys. Like what you mentioned. It kind of look you with face a long time though, kind of look here probably, so but teenagers, really long time,
Anyways, guys, so this is us.
Yeah, we're back and as we discussed before,
we're back.
Yeah, so conclude all this video. My sister passed away. Beryl can take all right with them from Jamaica. Don't know where she want to go with them. And the current gone over a month of mosquito and nearly kill we don't know make it out. It's a miracle we're still here. Be a heat. Oh God, imagine no current for 1 month.
Yo,
you come like you're doing back and Tino's day.
Yo, when the woman when do the little TikTok video with the run viral, the lady saying, "There's a one person. You can't do this. Each trick would kill you."
Man,
never tell a lie.
couldn't even sleep. But anyways, guys, we're back and look out for more content.
And bigger and better.
Right.
So just stay tuned for the back of videos.
So guys, please remember to like this video. Go back into the algorithm. Please leave a comment down below.
Comments them.
Please tell us if we hurry up and speed the process
Guys,
of wanting a family. Just comment down below and tell us, Bree, yes girl, give me family. I'll be talking and just say, oh yeah man, just go on man, boss youth man. That's you. But guys, as we come to the end of the video, please remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. I hope you guys come with us on this journey. If you're new and all of my dear on them, big up on yourself, hope on stay safe. And coming from Bree and Rick, we're out until we start the warden. You understand?
Peace.